I'm gonna take a break for a day and talk about something else. Suicide. Because last week, two very rich, famous, and successful people killed themselves, and their suicide came as a shock to everybody. Why would a successful person kill themselves? Shouldn't they be happy? Isn't their life good already? These questions have always bothered me. We think loneliness is gone when you're famous, insecurities are gone when you're rich, and mental problems are gone when you're successful. If you think this will make you happy, then you are wrong. Money, fame, and success solve a lot of problems, but they don't solve all problems, and I learned that the hard way. So instead of asking why these people suicide, let us ask ourselves, how can we build a world where no one feels lonely, where mental problems are openly discussed? How can we build a better world for you, for them, for me, and for everybody?